Good morning, students. I'm your computer teacher, Sarita. Today, I'm going to take your first chapter, that is Fundamentals of Computer. Now, before I start the lesson, I will ask you a question. What is a computer? Now, whenever I ask this question to students, generally their first answer which comes to me is a computer is an electronic machine. Now, beside this, your first answer should be a computer is a smart machine. A computer is a smart machine that works under instructions given by us. It can accept data, that is through input devices, manipulate data according to specified rules inside the CPU, the processor, produce the result inside the output unit, and save the result for future use. Now a question arises. What you can do with a computer? So here is a list of some activities which we can do with the help of computer, like creating document. So we can create any kind of document on computer. We can do any kind of calculations using numbers. Teachers can teach their student like I'm doing it right now. You people can chat with your friends through this device. You can design clothes, buildings, etc. Scientists can do their research work with the help of this device. You can learn any topic, any subject here. It is used for buying and selling things. Like you people must have done online shoppings. Can play music and videos here. And the most important and interesting part, that you can play games on it, which you people must be doing nowadays in your free time. Now, here you must be thinking that list of these activities shown here on this slide, these activities you are already doing on mobiles. So, I will say that mobiles you are holding now are smartphones, and all the smartphones are actually a kind of small computers. So right now you are holding a small computer in the form of mobile. So now your doubt is clear. Now my next question is, how does a computer work? So here in this slide, we will see that how our data is being transferred from one device to the other. Like in this example, addition of two numbers is shown. So for adding two numbers, first we will take the help of input device, which is keyboard here. So this 5 and 3 through keyboard will travel to the processing unit, that is CPU, in the form of data. The data is then processed by CPU and the result is given to the output unit, means the monitor, in the form of information. And at the same time, the data and information is being stored also in the memory, that is hard disk. Now, here we can see that a computer consists of input, process, output, and storage unit. So in this part of the lesson, we will only talk about input device and rest all other devices in the next part of the lesson. So, input device. Input device input devices are those devices from which we can input data and instructions into the computer. Like in the previous slide, we have inputted what? 3 plus 5 from the keyboard. Now, we will talk about some commonly used, or you can say popular input devices like keyboard and mouse. Keyboard. A keyboard is a panel of keys that operates a computer. It is an input device that enables us to enter data into a computer. Computer keyboards are similar to electronic typewriter keyboards but contains some additional keys also. So moving to the next, mouse. A mouse is a hand movable input device that controls the position of the cursor or pointer on a screen. So that is why it is also called pointing device. You must have heard this name, pointing device. A mouse is a pointing device. It is commonly used with desktop computers. And frequently one can upgrade the mouse with 2 buttons with wheels, optical mouse and wireless mouse. And here is the list of some other input devices like scanners, trackball, joystick, light pen, touchscreen, optical card reader, magnetic ink character recognition, optical barcode reader, voice recognition device, optical mark reader. So student, from this slide, I'm concluding the lesson here, and in the next part of the lesson, we will learn output devices, processor and storage unit. And here is your assignment. Please do this assignment on any rough notebook or diary if you don't have a computer notebook with you. And children, you can also use your last year's notebook for doing your computer work. Thank you. Stay at home and be safe. Bye-bye.